Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make ogi, also called cornmeal, also called akamu or pap. You see, it remains a delicious breakfast in Nigeria. I will also be showing you how to fix watery pap. So we're starting by getting a clean bowl. You pour the caked cornmeal into it, also known as pap. It's caked because it's fermented, and for it to last longer, the water has to be drained out as much as possible. After this, you pour a little bit of water into the pap and you begin to mix. You have to mix it properly to ensure that there are no lumps in it, because lumps can make it not so good for you. So you don't want the texture to be too thick. If not, when you pour hot water into it, it's still going to have so many lumps. And trust me, it's better to have a watery pap than to have a lumpy pap. So you mix properly. You want to make sure that it's not too watery and it's not too thick. As you can see, it's having some sort of like a ribbon texture, which is what I want, and it's looking smoother. While mixing your pap, you must note that the pap has a tendency of settling underneath, so you must make sure that your spoon gets down and mixes properly. Now it's time to boil hot water for your pap. The next step is to pour the hot water into the pap. Please note that while you are pouring the hot water in the pap, you have to continuously stir the mixture to ensure that everything dissolves properly, because pap has a tendency of settling underneath. As you can see, the mixture is watery, so we'll cover it and allow it thicken. If your pap is still watery after 5 minutes, then it's time for the next step. Place a clean pot on your cooker and pour in the watery pap mixture. You can choose to add sugar or not. What we are going to do now is we're going to cook the pap so that it thickens to how we want it to be. Get a wooden spatula or anything you can use to stir properly and keep stirring. You have to continue stirring even as it gets thick. The point is, we don't want it to be lumpy, but we want it to be thick and yummy. You would also notice a change in color, a pleasant change in color from the chalky yellow texture to this. Well, the good news is pap is ready. Thank you for taking time to watch my video. I would love you to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, how would you like to take pap? With sugar and milk? Yummy, right? Or would you love to take your pap with pure honey? For some people, it's a healthy way of taking pap. Any way you want to take your pap, I guarantee that it is lovely, it is light, it is a great breakfast idea, and it's something you would fall in love with if you can try it.